So this video will quickly go over how you can reapply the double-sided tape to the housing unit in case you screw up the installation or you want to transfer the TDC unit to a different barrel. So yeah, here I have a fully installed TDC unit on the SG10. The version doesn't matter, it's the same for both. And you also need the double-sided tape that came with the Pro package in the bag. Please note that for some units you might not have the smaller piece. In that case, you can just skip the smaller piece and install the larger one straight. So first of all, what you're going to do is you'll want to remove the unit, and I'll show you what's the easiest way to do it because it's quite on there. So what you want to do is you want to twist the housing, and that's going to be the easiest way how you can release it from the barrel. So just slowly twist it back and forth until it's loose enough and you can peel it off. So first you'll want to take as much of the tape off as you can. Just scrape it by the side. You can use some non-metal objects to help you with the process, but it should mostly come off in one piece. So this is the first part. And let's take off the second one. So it looks like this. So first we want to remove all the glue from the housing. We strongly suggest you to use an adhesive remover. It looks something like this. It's a super useful thing to have in your house. If you don't have it, I strongly recommend you to go and get one. You should be able to get one at your local depot or hardware store. And you want to apply some to the back of the housing, like so. Leave them there for for like a good 30 seconds or so. And you'll also need some tweezers or an X-Acto knife to help you with the installation when we are applying these two on the unit. So let's start slowly removing the glue. This is quite strong glue, so we chose this for the reason so it doesn't fall off by itself. We did quite a bit of testing, and this was by far the strongest one. So I'll apply a bit more to finish off the cleaning. So this is how a clean unit looks like. Don't worry if there's like some tiny specks left. That won't affect the installation procedure much. So before you put on the new layer, you'll want to degrease the surface because the adhesive remover is slightly greasy. So you can use the rubbing alcohol that Norwich includes in the maintenance kit. If not, you can just use any degreaser or rubbing alcohol. So just clean the surface. And now you're ready for installation of the tapes. So I'll zoom in here so you can see everything what I'm doing. So you want to lay it flat on the ground, like so. And again, try to use tweezers. If you can't get tweezers, you can use an X-Acto knife. You want to start by the smaller piece. If you don't have the smaller piece, you can skip this step. What you want to do is remove the tape from the backing, like so. You can hold the tape by the sides carefully and reposition the tweezers to the middle, just like so. And now is the tricky part. What you want to do is hold the unit where the hole is on the sides, just lightly, and slowly approach the tape to the unit and try to align the hole as perfectly as you can. It shouldn't be that hard, and you can hold the tape via the sides to make it even easier. And just slowly put it to the bottom of the housing. And when you don't press it too much, you can actually slightly adjust it with the finger by pushing on it. But yeah, once it's on there, you want to lightly tap it. Just don't try to grease the surfaces where the other tape is going to go. Then take the tweezers and remove the protective layer, like so. And now you want to do exactly the same thing, just on the larger piece. Again, remove it from the backing, reposition the tweezers to around the middle, and do exactly the same thing. Hold it by the sides, slowly approach it, try to align the hole as best as you can, and just push it on there, just like so. And that's it. Now the housing is ready for reinstallation. So that's it. Happy airsofting, guys. And if you have any issues, let me know on the Facebook page at TRIDOS Airsoft. Yeah, see ya.